Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, the messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen like here and enter the settings. So let's tap on it. Then let's tap on the languages, and as you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages, keyboards from which we can choose. You can scroll, or you can simply tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language. After finding it, simply tap on it. So let me choose this one, and here in this step we can decide which keyboard layout we want to apply, and the amount of the keyboard layouts depend on the specific language, because sometimes you will have only one and sometimes even up to 7 different keyboard layouts. So just mark the option you'd like to use and untick the previous option, or you can use 2 if you want to, and then tap on Done. As you can see, the Arabic language has been immediately applied to this list. And before I'll show you how to remove the language so you will leave only one, I'd like to go back to the keyboard and actually show you how to use it with 2 or more different languages added. So there we've got 2 differences. The first one is the globe icon, which will actually allow you to change the language quickly. And the second difference is the spacebar, which is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language you're currently using. So as you can see, just by using this globe icon, you can easily switch between the keyboard layout simply. Alright, let me quickly go back to the settings. So let's tap on it, let's tap on the languages, and if you want to remove the language, so you will have only one language added, you have to enter this edit icon in the right upper corner and mark the language you want to remove. In my case it will be Arabic, as I will use English later on, so just mark the option, the language you'd like to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, we've got English or any other language of your choice left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.